Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm wearing the same sweatshirt, but I'm trying to knock out some videos to have them set and I can edit them for this week. So today I have a Balenciaga unboxing. I don't think I've done a Balenciaga unboxing on my channel yet. Have I? I don't think so. I think this is my first Balenciaga unboxing. I did purchase a bag recently that I have my eye on. Never seen it in person, and I think I kind of regret it, honestly. This bag is very popular. I don't know if I should reveal the name or should I keep it a surprise. I think I'm gonna reveal it only because I haven't seen as many unboxings as I thought I would see of this bag because it's so popular. And every time that I went on the website, it would be there and then it would be sold out immediately. So as soon as I saw this bag on the Balenciaga website, I immediately purchased it because I'd never seen it in person, but I did see someone on Instagram wear it and I was like, that is so cute, I would love that bag. And I was in the market of buying it's a mini bag, but I didn't know it was as small as it was. Not only that, but I wanted something that was sturdy, something that was like an edgy kind of bag that I could wear every day. And also I went out of my comfort zone and it is a bright color. So it is the Balenciaga Hourglass bag and the size is small, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys now. Here is the box that it came in. I don't know if I should keep it, if I should return it. It is super cute. I just find that it isn't gonna work for me. Again, I'm sorry about the lighting. It's just the best lighting I can get right now. But okay, so this is the receipt it comes with in this envelope. So let's show you guys. It says, thank you for shopping with Balenciaga, Balenciaga.com. Sorry guys, I had to talk to my aunt for a second, but okay. As I was saying, I was showing you the receipt. So this is the receipt that it comes in, and this is, I'm just covering up my address and everything. This is like the little paper that they give you, like that, okay? That's a receipt. And of course, my camera is about to die. What is a video, one of Maria's videos, without a camera dying? Like, oh, okay, anyway. That is my receipt. So, this is the box that it comes in. Very beautifully wrapped. Oh, the box is ginormous. So, it comes with the wrapping paper over it. And this is the Balenciaga box. Sorry for the lighting, but I was actually surprised about this box because I thought it was gonna be like a regular Balenciaga box, which is like a shoe box. I've seen people buy bags and it comes in like the shoe box. So I was very impressed with this box because it's sturdy and very good quality. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. It is a magnetic, like Louis Vuitton, magnetic closure and opening. So this is the bag, and if you guys can get, oh wait, I already showed you guys, I already told you guys what the bag was. Okay. So putting this ginormous box on the other side. This is the dust bag. I love dust bags that like have pull tabs. So the bag that I ended up getting was a Balenciaga Hourglass bag, but in this red color. Oh my goodness, this is so different because I never, like, you know me, I always get black bags, I always get neutral kind of bags. I only have, well no, I have the Gucci Dionysus that's like a taupe color, but I'm a neutral kind of gal. So I don't know what came over me when I was purchasing this bag. I was like, oh, it's red, it's different, it's unique, she's beautiful, buy it. So I was like, okay. And I did text my sales associate from Balenciaga and I was like, what do you think of this bag? Does it sell out quickly? blah blah blah. And she kind of persuaded me. She's like, yeah, it sells out very quickly if you want to get it. And I was originally gonna get it through her, but then I found out, which is kind of a bummer, that if you purchase it from the Balenciaga store, you can only exchange it. But if you buy anything from Balenciaga online, you have 20 days to return for full refund or exchange. So I was like, I don't know if I like this bag. I don't know how it's gonna fit on me. I've never seen it on person, never tried it on. So I was like, I might as well just purchase it online. So that's what I did. So this is the bag. It's the hourglass shape. I just love the shape of this bag. It is so different. I've never seen anything like it. It's just beautiful. So it has the gold B right here that says Balenciaga on it, and it is a magnetic closure, so it opens like this, and it does have a okay, we're back on. My camera died, so trying to see how much I could get out of this without it dying again. I do have to buy a new battery, or an extra battery at least, but anyway. Okay, so this is the bag. Like I said, it is a magnetic closure. It has a red strap, like so. Red strap. It matches with the bag. It does have gold hardware that says Balenciaga right on it. If you guys can see that, you probably can't. But it does have a red strap, and I love this strap only because it literally has holes from here all the way to here. So it has holes from all the way from here, so you could adjust it to however you like. It could be short, it could be long, whatever your preference is. But okay, so this is the interior of the bag. It is made out of 100% leather. Here's some wrapping paper that came with the bag. Okay guys, so I keep getting cut off because my camera's dying. So sorry, but where were we? I was showing you guys the strap to the bag, right? Okay, so like I said, for the third time probably, magnetic closure. I love how this bag came brand new. You could tell because of the little stickers that are still on the metal parts of the bag. So yes, it was stuffed with some tissue paper, and that is the strap. And I just wanted to show you guys what came inside the interior. So this tag came inside. Also, this Balenciaga care booklet. So it just tells you how to treat the item and how to clean it, whatnot. I never read that. But okay, so the strap, like I was saying, I like this strap only because it has holes from here all the way to here. So a lot of holes, so it is very versatile. This strap, you could wear it shoulder length, or you could wear it crossbody. So yeah, I love when bags are versatile, even when they're like mini bags. So to explain more about the interior is all white. Just noticing that. Okay, so yeah, the interior is all leather. Did I say white? I meant leather. And the inside of the bag, there is one zipper on the back pocket. I don't know if this is gonna show. Okay, there we go. So there's one zipper on the back of the bag, and then it's just a very, you know, hollow kind of bag. When I first looked at it, I was like, am I gonna be able to fit anything in it? Wasn't sure. It's just way too small for me. Even on my body frame, it's way too small for me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna return it. Also on the back features a slit pocket, and I think what made me really decide that I'm going to return this bag is because I cannot fit my phone on the back of this slit, and that's what I wanted to do, because when I put my phone inside of the bag, it restricts me from putting anything else really without it like bulging. So it's not a winner for me. But yeah, so I just wanted to unbox that with you guys to, you know, for people that are interested in getting this bag, to show them the bag and also what comes and how it's packaged and everything like that. This is a beautiful red color. I don't think the lighting is doing it justice. There we go. So it is a beautiful red color, and I thought I wanted something that would pop, but this isn't going to be the bag for me for that color. I'm still trying to look into a bag that's like a different color, red, mostly red. I want like a bright red color kind of bag, and I thought this was gonna be it, but it's not. Yeah, sometimes you think you order it, and it's great how companies like this have like a refund policy or exchange policy. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. Also on the top of the bag, it comes with this handle. I love this handle because it fits around the cork of your arm, so you can wear it like this, or you can wear it like this. And these are just the little tabs for the straps, for the strap, not the straps. But yeah, it is a beautiful, beautiful, well-made kind of bag. It's just not for me. So I wanted to show you guys that today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me down any comments of questions or video suggestions that you want me to do. I'm trying to figure out and trying to plan ahead. Sorry, the lighting is so bad. Trying to plan ahead of videos. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to know. I would love to make videos that you guys are interested in. That's why I'm here. So yeah. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, wherever you're in the world. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.